Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad Sangma hene ke sengiu loong baka sorkar ke batemai kan beteng ban pentrekam yaki kam ki jam haka baidei bat ki projek yaki bala debu. Haba penpau hakilat pathai kubor Menteri Rangba loong baka sorkar kan yai beteng ban penlet jingmut na ke bentai ki jingtei bat ru haka emlang saalang daka bakan pai kemat syaki samla haka yok kam yok jam. Haba banjur halor ke jingdon kam ban Kyntiew ya barok ki liang uloong baka sorkar kala don arngut ki sembut Menteri Rangba naba naduk mensyua ki lakwa ban don arngut ki sembut Menteri Rangba bat kane ka peni ya ka jingklan unong mi khmat jong ki thain baper. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ula penti kena ru baka sorkar kan syim ya ki lat ki lenti bat kan omdon kano ka jingti doyong bean da ka babenrap bakan sapenlong ya ka jingekren rengkat bat ke Jylla Asam ban yapen bet ya uput usam haki hinreu teli ki jaka.
We'll continue to focus on the areas which we have been working on in the last 5 years, primarily to ensure that overall infrastructure improvement is there. We are working very hard towards the social sectors improvement like health and education and social welfare. And of course, we are giving a lot of importance to the youth, especially when it comes to employment issues and the livelihood issues. So those are going to be one of the main concerns and areas where this government is going to focus on. It is already in process. We have worked very hard in the last 5 years. We have seen that now we are almost on the verge of 4 different groups that have now received the clearances, and their mining plans should be cleared in the next maybe a couple of months. And post that, we do expect that scientific mining will start this stage.
Menteri Rangba ke